Hello, today we're making a Christmas angel made from a vase. We appreciate your support. Please hit subscribe and like. To make our little Christmas angel's wings, we're using a baby clothes hanger and some leftover decorative mesh. Except for some gold cord that we got, all these materials are left over from other projects and stuff lying around the house. Once the mesh is on the baby clothes hangers, we'll just trim off the edges to make a nice clean edge. This is a super easy little project. Didn't take very long at all to make, only a few minutes. Once the edges are all tidied up and you're happy with the result, there we have our two wings, which we'll glue on the back of the vase. Then we'll just put some glue on some key areas to secure the hangers to the vase. So we glued our wings on at an angle so it looks more like a wing. And with our wings in place, this is the tinsel ribbon that we got, gold colored, to go with our lights. And the head of our angel is a used rose bowl. You probably have one under your kitchen sink or somewhere around the house that you can use for the head of the angel. Then we'll just wrap our gold ribbon around there to have our little angel's halo. And then just put a dab of glue on the end and start wrapping, and then just put successive little dabs at that same sort of area so you don't get an excess of glue. And for our angel's eyes, we're just using some large sequins. Then to attach the eyes, you just put a little dab of glue on the back and put them where you want. And then for the mouth, we're using some leftover adhesive rhinestones and just put a little smile on there. And once a little smile is on there, we decided to put some leftover decorative mesh inside the rose bowl. There, isn't she cute? Once your head's on, then you just glue that on top of the vase. There we go, isn't she a cutie? Then to give our angel a glow, we used a chenille pipe cleaner and attached the lights to that and glued it inside on top. Once the pipe cleaner is glued in place, you can just adjust your lights as you see fit, and maybe wrap some leftover mesh if you have around the control box. Nice easy craft, hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching.